Hello, welcome to week 3 of distance learning, the week of April 27th. I hope I have fixed all of the glitches that we had this week regarding being able to check your answers when completing the worksheets and when completing the quizzes. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I have fixed everything. So Monday is 1.5 on rate conversions. So if you go into the agenda slides, there is the video still and the slideshow to complete the example problems. You, on day 2, Tuesday the 28th, choose the appropriate worksheet to practice through on notebook paper or in your journal. Number 2, check answers when finished. Now, the reason this is not a hyperlink anymore is because I have fixed the problem, hopefully. So I will show you where you can check your answers for the worksheets in just a second. And then on day 2, you will be completing the Google quiz for 1.5. So let me take you back here. Worksheet answers is under this week. It's just as material. It's a PDF that you, it worked. So you can open it up and just scroll down to the appropriate page. So we are on 1.5 all the way down. So here is the regular page, the tiered worksheet, and then the challenge worksheet is on that next page. So you just have to scroll down a little bit farther. So this is where you can check your answers for 1.5 and 1.6 this week. So let me go back. Again, it says worksheet answers. It's just a material in a separate link. For the quizzes, so let me open up this one for 1.6. This is your Thursday, April 30th assignment. When you click on these and take the quiz now, it will not tell you that all the answers are wrong, even though they are correct. I have fixed that problem. So when you submit your quiz, you will not see any results. I have to go in and look at them to give you participation points. Okay, next Friday, May 1st, there is no school. So there's going to be no Friday Choice Board for next week because teachers, we are given the opportunity to go into our classrooms to clean up our rooms to become summer ready. So again, there is no Friday Choice Board for May 1st. Okay, so there you have it, 1.5 and 1.6 next week. Have a great week.